Mattel's Virtual Reality Viewmaster has been redesigned, and this stereoscope toy is better and more cutting edge than ever. How much is the Virtual Reality Viewmaster? The Virtual Reality Viewmaster will have a price of $30. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. The upgrade of this redesign is the integration of Google's Cardboard VR technology, allowing children to enjoy an immersive 360-degree digital experience and more advanced virtual reality. Mattel also said that the Viewmaster will be made to be compatible with both iPhones and Android smartphones, so app and phone compatibility is not going to be an issue. Here is our conclusion. Finally, here is a headset that will demonstrate what virtual reality means. Make sure your kids get their own Virtual Reality Viewmaster. Thanks for checking out our review. To find out more about this product, click on the link below this video now.